I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change all of your Venmo transactions to be private going forward on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap Me in the menu on the home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. You'll land on the settings screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Preferences section and then tap Privacy. A list of privacy options are shown. Step 4. Find the default privacy settings section. This is where you can select your default privacy setting for all future Venmo payments. Tap Private to place a checkmark next to that option. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to change your default privacy settings. Step 5. Tap Change Anyway. All of your Venmo transactions will be private going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.